Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be already in the title, obviously. Superdrug haul. Just a few little bits I bought from Superdrug that I found were cheap or nice. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel using the link below and press the bell notification so that you get notified when we upload videos. Yeah, so here we are. This is my bag. Superdrug bag. Got a receipt somewhere. Here it is. Okay, so the biggest thing I bought, most expensive, was this. This is Mad Beauty 12 Days Bath and Body Snow White. So it's like an advent calendar. I'm not sure what's in it. It does tell you on the back what's in it. I haven't really looked, so I don't want to spoil it. And I was thinking of doing, excuse the light on there, an unboxing video of this on the channel. Oh, excuse my bit here. Yeah, so I might record that as soon as possible, so I want to open it and see what's inside. So, yeah. Okay, so that's that. Oh, that cost £3, that one, which was I think it was £10, and they reduced to £3, as obviously December's already started. Okay, then I bought this rhubarb and custard shower and bath soak. Oh, I love rhubarb and custard. It's old school. It reminds me of when I was little. I used to get those sweets from the sweet shop. This is Superdrug's own brand. And it is, you can either use it as a shower gel or you can use it as a bubble bath. And that was £1.45. So I thought, like, oh, that's quite good. It's quite big. And then just bought some tights for the girls for school. Small to medium. You get 2 pairs in each one, so that's 2 pairs in each. What's it? And they were 75p. 2 pairs, so that was quite good. Yeah. Because the way they get through them at school is a nightmare. Okay, then I bought these. I thought these would be good for makeup videos. These are just some hair bands, stretchy ones. You get three of those. They were 27p. Bargain. Okay, I then bought these. These were on offer, but I've needed some new ones and I haven't tried these. So I bought these Manuka Honey face wipes. They were £1.29, I think. Yeah. Yeah, £1.29. Okay. Then I bought some headbands, hair bands, or bobbles we call them. And you get 18 in each. So I got 2 of those. They were 26p each. Bargain. I got a deodorant for my son, that was £1. Not exciting. Not for me. Then I bought Knight & Wilson Straight and Sleek for your hair. And my hair is really frizzy when I take it out. Oh, that's why it's all tied up. This was This was 60p. No. Yeah, 60p. 60p. This says it's silicone free, regular use formula, UV and heat protection, shea butter and vitamin E, good for humidity and weather protection. Smooth results can withstand up to 2 shampoos. Simply apply to towel dried hair, comb through and blow dry. So yeah, so I thought that was quite good. That's that one, 60p. Comes in a pump tube and it is 100ml, that one. 60p. And then I also got rejuvenating vitamin oil, which also says smooths and strengthens, protects and nourishes, boosts shine and suppleness, tames and controls, antioxidant, UV protection, non-greasy and no build-up. So this one, when your hair is wet, you rub it through your hair, which would be easier for me because I don't really blow dry my hair. That's Knight & Wilson, 100ml. That one's not open. Let's have a look. Take the sticker off. That's also in a pump. That one. So that was 60p as well. last thing I bought was this. This is Knight and Wilson as well. Style Freedom Shimmer Cream. This was also 60p. Let's have a little smell. Oh, it smells good. 125 mils. This one is, let's have a look, frizz free, salon style blow dry. Shimmer cream smooths and hydrates your hair, adding radiance whilst protecting against heat. So that also you rub on towel dried hair. But this one I think is good because I bought the girls some hair curlers from Primark, which are really, really good. They're £8, they're really good. But obviously a bit of heat protection is always good. And it makes your hair shiny, so yeah. Shimmer cream. So that's it, that was 60p. So I also bought obviously a carry bag which cost me 5p. And a Monster Energy which cost me £1.49. And the total was £12.36. So probably about £11 for all that stuff, which I thought was really, really good. I can't wait to unbox this, which I'll do in that video. I might do that with the girls actually in a minute. Yep, so that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what bargains you can find, because I always love a bargain. And yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to press the bell notification and share this video with your friends. Okay, see you soon guys. Bye!